Hi! In front of me is Realme C35, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll down and click on Sound over here. Then you need to click on Vibrate Vocals and select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first and ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. Then scroll down, click on Shortcut to prevent ringing, tap on Vibrate over here if you want to, go back, scroll down and click on the switchers next to Touch Vibrations and Charging Sounds and Vibrations to enable or disable those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!